This is Softy Company. This is located here in Suarez Building, Cambaro Street, Mandaue City. This is about packaging needs for all kinds of granules, powders, liquid. As you can see, the original branch for Softy is located in Manila. So right now, I'll be showing you some of their machines that is good for business if you want to invest in this kind of business. Now let's start with, this is their soft ice cream machine. So soft ice cream machine, and they also have the hard ice cream machine. Meron din kayong hard ice cream machine. So this one is the soft ice cream machine, but they also have a hard ice cream machine if you're planning to have an ice cream business. So how much is this machine cost? 98,000?
Yes, ma'am.
98,000 pesos. But the machine is complete by itself, and this is where you put the yung milk.
Yes, ma'am. Dito po ilalagay.
So
yung powder
milk, and this one pati to.
Yes, ma'am. Dalawa po siya.
So you have 2 slots for the ice cream. So how many?
Tatlo po, ma'am.
Tatlo.
Yes, ma'am.
So they're only selling the machine, I need to remind you. And they got the slush machine. This one is the double slush with this motor on the bottom. The double slush is 38,000 pesos, but they also sell the single one, only one slush, for 28,000 pesos. So of course, you're familiar with the hand sealers. This is 1,000 pesos. The size 12 is 2,000 pesos. And the size 16 is 3,500 pesos. Now you can see here, this is the automatic cup sealer, which is familiar with the iced tea and milk tea now. This is the automatic. What I mean is, you just turn on the machine and there's no need for you to wait until it's heated up, because it's automatically can heat itself. This is this is how much? 38,000. 38,000 for this automatic cup sealer. Now they also have manual cup sealer. The difference is you need to wait for this green button to turn on before you can seal a cup. So there's a waiting time that the machine is ready. But this cup sealer is only 4,000 pesos. But it can only seal when the green light is on. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So although it's got, and then you need to pull this one on the side when you want to seal a cup. Ito. So there's like how many minutes ang waiting time?
1 minute, ma'am.
1 minute.
1 to 2 minutes.
1 to 2 minutes. You have to wait for this green light to turn on before you can even seal a cup. And then you need to press this like a handle on the side, like that will do the cutting for the cup.
Yes,
No? That will do the cutting for the cup. Whereas consumables are different. No,
Yes,
it's not. You have to buy this, but you can also buy this in the same company, Softy, the consumables with your own print.
Yes, ma'am.
Kanilang print.
Yes, ma'am.
With your product print, your product logo. They offer it with different sizes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one, the machine, which is automatic at 38,000, there's no need for you to wait because it's automatic. It's got a sensor that will cut the cup, but most people will go for this one. This is what I keep on seeing.
But ma'am,
This is the machine I keep on seeing on the vendors on the mall. Very popular because only 4,000 pesos. But yung yung consumables ng ganito,
ma'am, sa amin.
sa amin, how much is the pricing
750 pesos, ma'am.
per roll?
Yes, ma'am. Tapos ang nagagawa niya po sa cups is bawat cups 2,500.
So 2,500 for one roll is 750 pesos. For that will seal 200 2,500 cups.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 750 pesos. So you can buy the sealer here, and this is the manual sealer, and this is the automatic sealer. There's no need for waiting, and it's also fast.